today's video, I show you guys step by step to reset Windows 11 and make your PC run like brand new again. Before getting to the steps, back up your important files and then go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. In find your setting, type reset. Click on reset this PC and select this reset PC option. Select remove everything, remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. Select local reinstall. Select this change settings option and just turn on this clean data. Just remove your files. This is quicker but less secure. This will make harder to recover files. Just turn on this download windows and say confirm. Then select next option. Select this reset option. It's downloading the files to install a fresh updated copy of Windows and it will take a while to complete. So you can now go and do any other work you may have and it will done everything for you. Now press in keyboard Shift plus F10 in the keyboard and command prompt will open up. Type here start space ms dash cxh colon local only and press enter. And now you can type your username. I'm gonna type my name and skip this thing guys. Select the next option and it will continue without password. So choose a different username. I'm gonna rename it and select next. Now just select next, select next, next. It's like a new PC or laptop. As you can see, everything is clean out here. If this display looks like this one, then right click on the desktop and select display settings. Scroll down, display resolution. Select your monitor's native resolution. In my case, 1920 in 2080. Select keep changes option. That's it. Your Windows PC is now reset and running like a new again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple Windows tips.